Hello, friends. What are you guys waiting for?
Welcome to CJ's Playhouse. Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Playhouse. Today, we're going to be making DIY butterflies. And all you need is coffee filters, washable markers, and clear pipes. Let's get started. Take 2 coffee filters and put them upside down. Get to making art. Okay, friends, this is how I'm going to do it. We're going to spray a little water on it and watch it spread. Whoa. Now that the filters are wet, we have to let them dry. I'll be back. It's all dry now. It's time to make a butterfly. Okay, friends, this is how you hold it. Okay, friends, we're going to do it again. We made a butterfly. Okay, friends, stay tuned for next adventure. Bye, friends. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way, you know I upload a video full of fun. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon.